Today, you're going to be taking notes on characterization. Please title these notes Characterization. A character is someone or something whose actions, choices, thoughts, ideas, words, and influence are important in the developing plot of a story. Characters are usually people, but can include other living or non living things. Forces like good and evil can be characters in some stories. Just to review the basics, a protagonist is a character or small group of characters whose goal or problem is the core of the plot. The protagonist doesn't have to be the good guy, but is usually referred to as the hero and is the character that readers identify with and hope succeeds. The antagonist is the character, group, or force that opposes the protagonist. This person or group of people is often known as the villain. Characterization is how the author reveals the personality of these characters. Authors can use both direct characterization and indirect characterization. Direct characterization occurs when the narrator tells the audience the personality of the character. Indirect characterization takes place when the author shows things that reveal the personality of the character. So, there are a few techniques that a writer uses to reveal this personality of the character to the reader. The first that we're going to talk about is words and speech. Words and speech are comments by the narrator, dialogue about the character's own words, what is said and how it is said. An author can also use thoughts, which is what's going on in the character's mind, the character's motives and choices. An author can use actions. These are the things that the character does. An author can use interactions. This is how the character interacts with and relates to others. And authors can also use change or development. This is how the character changes or develops as a person. So these are internal changes unrelated to physical appearance.